Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mining website where you can mine a lot of things, lot of earning. You will get $25 as a reward if you sign up between 27 September to 10 October. If you sign up on this website before 10 October, you will get $25 reward. After that time, you will not able to get reward. You have to deposit on this website, then you will sign up on this website. You will start earning on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can sign up on this website. Click on sign up button. Then you have to put your username and nickname and put your email at two places. Then you have to put password at two places. Then you have to fill up this captcha and click on sign up button. Now I have already account. I am going to log in on this website without waste any time. Now I am going to log in on this website. Fill up this captcha, remember pin, login and authorization. The question is that how you can reach here. I will provide you link in the description. You have to click on link and you will reach here without wasting any time. And you have to make your account before 10 October so that you will get $25 as a reward and you will start your earning without deposit on this website. I will tell you everything in detail. I already spent my $25 on this website to earn money on this website. You will get $25 at this place. Now when you log in on this website, you will get $25 and you have to invest your $25 on this website. Then you will earn a lot of money. You have to go to my investment, start investing. You have to go to start investing. Here you will get open from investment balance and open from bonus balance. You have to click on open from bonus balance. Then you have to pay now. When you pay now, you will see that your account will empty and you will get $27.80 every day on this website. You will end up on $45. Now I am going to show you how you can deposit on this website. Click on deposit. Here you have to select your wallet and you have to input your email. You will put on deposit on this website minimum 10 USDT and click on here and deposit. And now I am going to show you how you can take your withdrawal on this website. I have a trick for you to I will tell you at the end of this video. You have to click on any wallet address you want to receive your withdrawal, and here you have to put your email and submit a withdrawal request. You will get your reward in your wallet. Transaction history, you can check your transaction history. I already spent $25 on this website. You can see investment $25, buying an investment plan. Now I am going to give you a trick on this website how you can earn money without doing nothing on this website. You have to copy this link and share this link with your partner. I will tell you when you see my video. I will give you link in the description. You will reach here without wasting any time. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comment section. And subscribe my YouTube channel if you want more video in future. How to earn online without deposit. We will meet in next video friends. Okay.